In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add friends on Steam and invite them to a party, all in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a gaming veteran or a newcomer to the platform, connecting with friends on Steam can significantly enhance your gaming experience. Let's dive in and get you set up. First things first, you'll want to open your Steam application on your computer. If you haven't already downloaded and installed it, you can easily find it on the Steam website. Once you have it open, locate the login button on the top right corner of the main interface. Click on that to continue. Next, you'll need to enter your account name and password. If you're new to Steam, you might have to create an account, but for those who already have one, simply type in your details. Be sure to keep your login information secure to protect your account from unauthorized access. After filling in your credentials, click on the Sign In button. This will take you to your personal Steam homepage. It's the central hub for all your Steam related activities, and it's here that you'll begin adding friends. Now, look for your username at the top of the page, click on it, and a drop down menu will appear. From there, select Friends. This will take you to a new page dedicated to managing your Steam friendships. Once you're on the Friends page, you'll see an option that says Add a Friend. Click on this. Steam will then provide you with a unique URL. This link is specific to your Steam account and serves as an invitation for others to connect with you. Here's a handy tip. You can copy this link and share it with friends you want to add. You can send it through email, social media, or any chat service you use. Once they receive it and click on it, they'll be given the option to send you a friend request. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can easily expand your friends list on Steam. Once your friends have accepted your request, you can invite them to a party or join games together. Being connected with friends on Steam opens up a world of multiplayer gaming and social opportunities. Remember, gaming is always more fun with friends, so don't hesitate to reach out and create your network. Thank you for watching this tutorial on adding friends and inviting them to a party on Steam. I hope you found it helpful and easy to follow. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more content and feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Happy gaming.